In this video we will talk about diesel fuel injector servicing and injector pump repairs. If you are looking for the best diesel fuel injector cleaning and servicing specialist, you can certainly trust KRM Diesel. They will use their ultrasonic cleaner to ensure all parts are perfectly clean and ready for any necessary repairs. When completed, they'll be tested using an EPS common rail injector tester, testing at pressures up to 1800 bar. That's equal to 26,000 psi. Wow! The spray patterns are assessed to ensure maximum efficiencies are being achieved. You get the full package from carrying out testing, repairs and servicing of diesel fuel injection pumps and injectors, as well as DPF cleaning when necessary. Diesel fuel injection systems maintenance and repairs include Diagnostics and Repair, fuel pump repairs and modifications, fuel injector reconditioning, testing and repairs, fuel injector cleaning, common rail specialists, full-on vehicle diagnostics. Carl Meadows, owner and operator of KRM Diesel, is an authorised dealer for diesel fuel injection equipment, repairs and services, and provides complete and accurate service for all applications. With over 20 years in the trade, he knows his stuff. KRM Diesel works closely with the leading manufacturers of diesel fuel injection equipment and can service and repair all new, current and older technology fuel systems, which are fitted to a vast range of diesel applications and brands. These applications range from, but are not limited to, passenger vehicles, four-wheel drives, light commercial vehicles, heavy transport vehicles up to 6 tonnes. If you've got an emergency, we repair leaks and failures on most diesel fuel injection systems. KRM Diesel also offers service exchange on fuel injection components to try and get you back on the road as fast as possible. If you have any questions about diesel fuel injector servicing and cleaning, go to Carl Meadows, the expert in the field.